How to change app icons on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your app icons on your iPad. So let's dive right in. First things first, hold on any blank space of your home screen, and then you can see that the app starts shaking, and you'll see edit option on the top left. Tap on it and tap on customize. Now there you can see light, dark, automatic tinted. So you can change the mode of the app. So this is how dark looks. This is how automatic looks. Automatic means it will be light mode in day and dark mode at night. Then there's tinted. So in tinted mode, you can change the color according to the wish. I'm going to choose pink color. So this is how your app will look like. You can even change it to any color that you wish. And another fun function is that you can even change your apps to large. So go to large tab and you can see that the app icons has turned larger. So this is how you can customize your app icons on iPad. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.